It is not the optional, it is compulsion according to the requirement of the question. मतलब क्वेश्चन में जो चीज आपसे पूछी गई है that will be the dot product or that will be the cross product. मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ ये ध्यान रखिएगा. मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपको कहा गया कि you have to multiply two vectors A and B, it means ये नहीं कि आप इस दोनों में से कोई चूज कर लेंगे और उसमें उसके अनुसार आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. You just have to see what to get by the multiplication. After multiplication, what is the result? What you result want to find? And according to that, we should have to multiply the vectors. तो हम आगे देखेंगे कि how do we decide whether we have to find the dot product or cross product. But here we have to see how do we calculate. ध्यान दीजिए, हम ये बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे कि whether we have to find a dot product or cross product. Okay, हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ इस बात का स्टडी करेंगे how do we find dot product, how do we find the cross product. ध्यान दीजिएगा, मैं दोनों का पहले फॉर्मूला लिखा हूँ. ध्यान दीजिएगा, dot product को स्केलर प्रोडक्ट. क्या बात है भाई साहब, केक शेयर कर रहे हैं? क्लास के बाद बना लेंगे, है ना? अभी किसका है? मनीष का. Okay, everyone wish Amit within 1 minute. Happy birthday, Amit. Happy birthday.
सर रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा हमें कोई
बात नहीं, रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है. आप मिस कर दिए ना. The within 1 minute everyone has to, everyone who want to wish happy birthday just wish, and after that there should not be any happy birthday message. Amit, again happy birthday, and now you don't have to wish happy birthday. Okay, just you have to focus on the class, on the topic. आप जो happy birthday wish करेगा उसको क्लास से रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा, please. Okay, now dot product. Dot product, just have to find dot product. Dot product is written like this. If you want to find the dot product of vector A and vector B, then you must have to put a dot in between vector A and B. Similarly, if you want to find the cross product, then A and you have to put cross B. Both has different meaning. आप ध्यान रखेंगे, in multiplication we are simply using dot and cross in all the cases, normally in general cases, but in case of vectors both has a different meanings, so you must keep in mind. Okay, now this is vector A. This is a vector quantity, this is a vector quantity individually, but A dot B, if we write it as C, अगर A dot B को मैं C लिख दूं, तो C will not be a vector. There is no need of this sign because it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar. ऊपर वाली ये क्वांटिटी नहीं होगी, आप इसको पुट नहीं करेंगे. And scalar means has only magnitude. Only magnitude. मतलब ये एक सिर्फ नंबर होगा यूनिट के साथ. Okay? याद रखेंगे A dot B is a scalar quantity. Here A cross B is a vector quantity. If we write it is equal to C, then C must be a vector. Okay? हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे ये हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे, बट आप इसके नेचर को समझ लीजिए. दिस इज अ वेक्टर. A is a vector individually, B is a vector individually, and A cross B is also a vector. इसके पास मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन दोनों होगा. डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालने के बाद भी इसके पास मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन होगा. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल. इसी तरह से आप ध्यान देंगे A डॉट B कैसे निकालते हैं. A डॉट B मैंने डिस्कस किया था डिटेल में. A डॉट B का मतलब होता है magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos of the angle between the vectors. So here theta is the angle between A and B. I hope it is clear to all. It is the formula for dot product. But for the cross product A cross B, it is a vector, so we must have to put magnitude, and this is equal to vector A, vector B, and the sine of the angle between the vectors. Here we don't need to put mode. यहाँ पे मोड की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need of mode. ये साइन में नहीं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, because it is already a scalar quantity. So whatever is written here, that is the scalar quantity and it is only the magnitude. But here whatever you have written, it is only the magnitude and it is a vector quantity. So we must have to put mode. Is it clear to all? Just copy all these things please. जल्दी से इसको कॉपी कीजिए, हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Within 5 seconds only. For example, here A and B are two vectors. It has magnitude, suppose it has magnitude 5 and it has magnitude 3, and the angle between the vector is 30 degree. If someone wants to find A dot B, then it is magnitude of vector A, that is just I am writing the formula, magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, and cos of angle between the vectors, that is 30 degree. And now just put the values. A has magnitude 5, B has magnitude 3, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It is 15 root 3 by 2. It is A dot B. I hope सब करने